Good morning, class. Happy Tuesday. So let's get ready to start our amazing day. I have our flag, so please stand up. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job, great job. Okay, so let's get ready to do our calendar. So it is calendar time. So what is the name of our month? What is our name of our month? So this week we have a special friend. So Yusuke is joining us. So we have Camila doing it and Yusuke, welcome. And we also have Reed, so welcome. And then maybe some other friends that were home. Welcome to learning on either your iPad or the TV. Welcome, welcome. So this is our month. What is our month? September. So let's spell September. Ready? S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. What vowels do you see in September? Now remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. There's 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Those are the vowels. So what vowels do you see? If you said E, you're right. How many? 3. 3 E's. 3 E's for September. 3 E's for September. Now yesterday was Monday, the 21st. So today we're going right next door. So it's going to be Tuesday. Who knows what number comes after 21? Oh, I heard someone. One of you knows. So let's see if they are right. Ready? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure I can hear you. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. So that is the number I need to get out of my bag today. 22. So we've been in school, we've been in school 22 days. No, today is the 22nd of September, the 22nd. So that's what we'll be writing in our calendar today, 22. Well, I want you to stand up. So stand up. I want us to jump 22 jumps right now. So we're going to jump 22 times. Do you think you can do it? Let's see. I think I can do it. Can you do it? So stand up. Let's kind of get the wiggles out. Let's get some moving our body today. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to kind of, if you see me hold it, it's just so my necklace doesn't bounce, bounce, bounce. So I just kind of hold it down so it doesn't get on me. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. 22 jumps. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Woo! Oh my goodness. Feel my body moving now. My body is definitely moving, definitely moving. Okay, so sit back down in your spot. So how many days in a week? 7. 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Who remembers? What else? What happened in 7 days? Wait, one of you remembered? Yes. God created everything in 7 days. In 7 days, He created all. So let's do our days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And today is Tuesday. So let's spell Tuesday. Ready? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. What vowels do you see in Tuesday? So I'm going to bring it a little closer. Here it comes. So here is our Tuesday. What vowels do you see? Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. There's 5 of them. Ooh, if you said U, you're right. If you said E, you are correct. And if you said A, you are also correct. Great job. So this one has the 3 vowels in there. So Tuesday. Who remembers how many months are in a year? You're right, 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we are September, and fall, I'm gonna get my phone. We're gonna find out, when is fall gonna be? I know it's in the 20s. Let's see, I don't know, it might be the 22nd. Maybe it was the 21st. So let me see. When is the first day of fall? That's my question. So I'm asking my phone, I'm typing it in, so I'm gonna do a research. When is the first day of fall? First day of fall is today. September 22nd. Today's the first day of fall. Super cool. So we're in a new season. Summer passed. Now we're in fall. So we're in the season fall. So today is the first day of fall. I was kind of feeling like it was today or it was yesterday. So I'm glad I did research. That's what's amazing. You can research things to find out the answer. And that's what I used. I used my phone to do some research. So today is September 22nd. So get out your handy dandy calendar. You're right. Get out your handy dandy calendar. We're going to write the number 22. Okay, so I'm going to write it on the back. And 2, I know, 2 is a little tricky, and we've got to do 2 of them for 22 because it's 2 sticks of 10s and 2 1s. So remember when I do my 2, I go over the head, slide down, and put on my belt. Again, I go over the head, slide down, and a belt. I'll do it down here again. Ready? Over the head, slide down, belt, over the head, slide down, belt. Oop, that kind of belt was going like uphill. Straight belt, Mrs. Siebert. So now I'm gonna write it with my pencil here. Now remember, when I'm using this, I'm just using it because I'm using a whiteboard. I'm using my whiteboard. So if you were using your whiteboard, 100% you can use that. But for anything that we do with we're gonna use a pencil with our paper. So here's my 22. So it is Tuesday the 22nd. Well, that one kind of looked a little smaller, didn't it? A little smaller. Okay, so where are we traveling to now? You're right. If you said we are traveling to our presidents, we are traveling to our presidents. So we are going to move on over here. And so how many presidents so far? Awesome. 45 presidents. We've had 45 presidents so far. Who is this president? You're right, Donald Trump. Ooh, what about this president? George Washington. Ooh, this was the president we talked about yesterday, because we're going to remember, we're doing money today. We're doing our pennies. So we are going to be doing those. So this is Abraham Lincoln. He's president number 16, and he's on the penny. So Abraham Lincoln. So we have our 3 presidents that we have our pictures of. We've talked about others, because remember we talked about Bill Clinton, because why do I talk about Bill Clinton? You're right, because Bill Clinton's wife, Hillary Clinton, ran the race against Donald Trump. And then I also talk about George W. Bush. Why did I talk about him? You're right, because of the towers, the Twin Towers. He was president on September 11th. He was the president on September 11th. So I do talk about those other 2 presidents, even though I don't have them up here. I don't have them right there. But those are other presidents that we have talked about in our classroom. What's going to happen in November? So here's November. What's going to happen in November? You're right, there's going to be a new election. And so who gets to vote? We the people. We the people of the United States get to vote. But there's some rules for we the people. You're right, we have to be 18 years or older. Also what? Born in the United States. Or if we're not born in the United States, what can we do? We take a test to become a citizen of the United States, and then we get to vote. So is our voice pretty important? Very important. Very important. So that's going to be really neat, what's going to be happening soon. So either our number will stay 45. If it stays 45, what does that mean? Yes. Donald Trump stays our president. If it changes, then we have a new president. So if it goes 46, and the candidate that's running against Donald Trump is Joe Biden. So if Joe Biden wins, he will get his picture up here too, which means Mrs. Sievert's got to get a new poster. And really, I'm supposed to have a new poster coming, and it's in Mysteryland. Still has not made it here, so I'm kind of thinking I might have to order that one again because I do not know where it went. So we have our flag, which has 50 stars. What does those 50 stars represent? If you said the 50 states, you're right. And as you can see, I remember today to put our number on number 5, our new state. So we have Arizona, and I'll flip this over so it's a little easier to see who I'm touching. Arizona, Florida, New York, California, and our new one, Oregon. So we have Arizona, Florida, New York, California, Oregon. Now make sure you get yours. You have the same one, that you touch them when I say them, because we'll be taking kind of a test on it, and I'm going to say the state and you've got to find it. You're going to find it solo without me. So I want to make sure that you know where those states are. So it's really easy how I use a pointer. If you have yours and you touch each one when we say it, it makes your eyes are seeing it, and then you're able to store it. Like, I remember where it is. I know where it's located on our US map. I know where it's located on our US map. Now, yesterday we were talking about a weather. Who remembers the weather we were talking about? It's weather we will not have in Arizona because we do not touch ocean. Ooh, who remembers hurricane? So here is our hurricane poster and everything. So if you're over here, there's definitely going to be where they can have hurricanes over there. Is there a lot of warnings for hurricanes? Yes, because they're traveling across the ocean. They don't travel fast across the ocean. It takes days and days. And it's not called a hurricane because it's weak at first. It could be just a storm, but if it gets stronger and stronger and stronger, then the name changes to a hurricane. And they kind of give names to the hurricanes. So they give names to them, and they give like people names to them. And that's what I want you to research. Is there a hurricane right now out in the ocean? And if there is, what's its name? So you're going to do some research like I did on my phone. You're going to do research. You're probably going to need your family to help you find out, is there any hurricanes right now or storms out in the ocean? Are there any? Or how many are there? Is there one? Is there two? Is there lots of them? So you have research today. So you're going to research, is there any hurricanes out in the ocean right now? Make sure, and then send me your information. You can do me a video, so you can have your family video, and you can say, Mrs. Sievert, there's blah, blah, blah. And then you can send me a video, or you can have your mommy type it and send it to me, so then that way I know you did your research. So a little research today. Okay, so we're gonna travel from Florida to where? Yes, outer space. Okay, so let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Here we go. Ready? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So how many planets are in the solar system? 8. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and all of them do what? Orbit around the sun. Orbit around the sun. Okay, well, let's travel back over here. I kind of have the rug here so today, so I'm going to have to kind of like do a little bumpity bump so we can be close enough to see. Okay, so we're going to go, we have a couple things we're going to be doing today. So number 1, we're going to do our alphabet. Number 2, we are going to be doing money, 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 money. And we have sight words. To do today. Now, I'm going to do a quick alphabet, just quick. Why? You've got 2 videos today. You got 2 videos. So like after lunch or after you take a break, you're going to watch another video, and we're going to do like an alphabet game today. Okay, so video 2 is alphabet game today. So we're just going to do this quick because I'm bringing out alphabet again later. Okay, so let's just say them, and then we're gonna go into our sight words, and then we got money to do. So let's say what our alphabet is. So let's do our alphabet. Let me try to get you a little bit closer. I'm gonna try to see, hopefully my wheels on my, like the wheels on the bus. Okay, ready? We've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome, awesome job. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you're going to be getting out of your blue packet. So blue packet today. So blue packet, here's my blue packet. Let's see what I'm pulling out of my blue packet today. Number one, you need this orange piece of paper. Orange piece of paper so we can do some sight words. Number two, you need this page here, which has our sight words because we're going to practice writing them. So you need that page too. That's in your folder, and I'll show you again. Now remember, if you need me to freeze, how do you make me freeze? You push the pause button. So Yusuke's new at this. So Yusuke, if you need more time, push the pause button and you'll be able to find it. You'll find your papers. Okay, so the next one is money. So you're gonna get your money page. And you should have cut this out already. So this should have already been cut out. I didn't cut mine out, so you just need to make sure yours is cut out. So make sure that's cut out. So let me show you again. So we need the sight word page, sight words for writing, sight words for reading, and our money page. Okay, so we're gonna start with, let me get this, I'm gonna clip it on here to make it so I can hold it up for you. So we're gonna read these sight words. So we're gonna read them here, and then we also have our sentence reading, but we're gonna do them here first. So we just wanna make sure. This has, remember, the 5 from last week and the 5 for this week. Okay, so we have a, and, of, the, to. And over here we have in, is, it, that, and you. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to play a game with this where you have teddy bears that are in your bag. They're little flat teddy bears, and I'm going to say them, and we're going to play a bingo game, and you're going to put them where they go. Okay, so that's going to be a game we play tomorrow. So we want to make sure you practice these every day. Try to read them to your family members, and so that way they get stored in here. You need 10 stored in your brain. Okay, so let's read. So let's read over here our sentences. Remember, we're the green section. The yellow ones are from last week, so we're going to read the green section. Okay, ready? Do you have a yellow kite? Question mark. Because remember, sentences are fun to do, but first you need a letter. Start it with the capital, and then you better write a word and leave a space. Write a word and leave a space. Write a word and leave a space until the very end. You might need a period. Here's our period. You might need a question mark, which is asking a question. So a period is me telling you something. Question mark, I'm asking you something, so you got to kind of give me a response because I want to know the answer. And then an exclamation, and remember the exclamation, I don't even think we have that on my board anymore. I think I erased it. Let me just do a quick exclamation next to my 22. So an exclamation is a straight line down with a dot, almost like a period underneath. And that's like excitement when I'm going to say something with excitement. So those are our punctuation marks. Okay, so now let's read this one again and help me read it, okay? Because that's how it's going to get stored. Do you have a yellow kite? Question mark. So we have to answer, yes I do, or no I do not. Ready? Which bag is it in? Question mark. Let's read that again. Ready? Which bag is it in? That butterfly is blue. That butterfly is blue. That one has a period. It's telling me. Is that your baseball? Question mark. Is that your baseball? The fish were in the fishbowl, period. The fish were in the fishbowl, period. Okay, so those are our sentences, and we're going to read them, try to read them every single day so they get stored. It makes it easier and easier. And you also have those on your paper. You don't have the pictures, so you're going to have how it's written like kite. You'll have it say K-I-T-E instead of I have a picture. Okay, so you are going to write your sight words. So you're going to pause it to do this activity. So you're going to, so it's in is I-N, and you're going to write it here, I-N. Is, I-S, what do you write on this line? I-S. It, what do you write? I-T, what do you write over here? I-T. That, T-H-A-T, and you write that. You, Y-O-U, and you write you. Now, if you did this yesterday, because it did say Monday, and maybe your family saw that, then that's okay. Then you're already done. So if you didn't do it, make sure you do that page, please. Okay, so once you are done with that, push the play button again, because you're going to need to get money. So you are going to need to get, and Mrs. Siebert found her money, and now I'm like the mystery of where did I put my money? Let me look. Mrs. Siebert. Okay, let me see. Thought I had everything right here for me. Okay, I'm searching. I'm trying to think where did Mrs. Siebert just put those coins? So I'm going to show you pennies. Oh, there they are. I found them. Okay, so this is what you're going to get out. So this is a real penny. Mine are magnet ones. So here's a penny. Has Abraham Lincoln on it. There's two sides to the penny. This is the tail. They call this tail. This is the head because it has Abraham Lincoln. You need to have 10 of these, 10 of them. If you don't have 10 of them right now, push the pause button, get 10 pennies, because we're going to do an activity with those. And here is mine. Okay, so I'm going to move some of these. As you saw, these are our color words. We're going to use this later when we do video number 2. You'll do your music and we will do our colors. So I'm going to move this over here. Now I want you on your desk, this is the easiest way to make sure you have 10. This is the easiest way. So here you're going to put 2 on top. Do you see I have 2 on top? 1 in the middle, 2 on the bottom. Okay? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. So whenever you see 2 on top, 1 in the middle, 2 on the bottom, I know right away when my eyes see that, that's 5. It's a fast way to do it. On the other side, because I need 10, I'm going to do another 5. So I'm going to go 2 on top, 1 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom. Okay? Because 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So you need to make sure you have your 10 pennies. Now if you need a little more time, then I want you to pause the button and then I want you to get your 10 pennies. Okay? Once you're ready, push play button. I'm going to pull mine off. So you're going to make a pile now. So you're going to make a pile somewhere on your desk or your table, wherever you're doing your learning. Just put that there and then we're going to get ready to do some numbers. Now I'm going to say a number and you're going to put that many on, you're going to kind of slide it on an area. If you want to make it easy and know an area, if you have your orange, like you can put this and put them on here, okay? Because when you come to school, this is what you'll have. Let's see if I can reach it really quickly. You'll have one of these. When you're at school, you have a pig. And so when I want you to build your money, you're going to put it in your piggy bank, okay? So you'll put it in your piggy bank. So you can pretend that this is your orange pig and this is your piggy bank and you put them out. So if you want the answer goes on here. Anything over here is not part of the answer, okay? So any numbers I want will be on the orange. If I don't want those, I don't need those pennies, I'm not going to put them on the orange. Okay, so you can use that orange paper. We can use it for 2 things, sight words, and we can turn it into a pretend. And you can draw if you want on there. You don't want to use marker. but you can use a pencil if you want to make your own pig. And I'll make you a pig one day and you'll be like, whoa, my pigs are always funny. Okay, ready? I want you to make me 3 cents. 3 cents. So I just kind of want to give you a moment. You try, what does Mrs. Seifers mean by 3 cents? I want to see what you do. Okay, and this is what you should have put on your orange paper. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 cents. That's 3 cents. 3 cents. Okay, if you got that, awesome job. Okay, ready? I'm going to take that off. Okay, so taking that off. I don't have an eraser, so I'm not going to do any rating on there because I don't have anything to erase over in this area right now. Okay, ready? I want you to make me 5 cents. 5 cents. So make 5 cents. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to make it. If you need a little more time, what do? Push the pause button. Here comes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is my 5 cents. I got 2 on top, 1 in the middle, and 2 on bottom. 5 cents. Great job. You guys are doing amazing at this. Okay, ready? Ooh, I'm gonna go a little harder. Ready? I want 8 cents. 8 cents. So you're gonna make me 8 cents. Okay, let's see. Remember again, if you need a little more time, just push the pause button. It'll give you a little more time. And then push play when you're ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is my, oops, sorry, you can't even really see. There you go. There's my 8 cents, my 8 cents. Great job. Okay, swipe those back out of your orange paper. Swipe them out like swiper, no swiping. Okay, ready? I want 10 cents. 10 cents. What does 10 cents look like in pennies? Okay, you should be building. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to start building mine. Push pause if you're still need more time to get to your 10. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. It was all of my pennies. I used all of my pennies. So I have 10 pennies. Now, if you have more than 10 pennies, yes, you did not use all of them. 10 pennies right here. Okay, swipe it. Ready? 1 cent. 1 cent. I've been super easy, right? 1. There's 1 cent. Okay, our last one, then we're ready to do our paper. Ready? 4 cents. 4 cents. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cents. Awesome. Okay, so let's see, what are we going to do on that paper? So let me get my paper. Kind of threw other papers on top of it. So let me get it. Here we go. So this time it shows you how much money you already have. So this is how much money you have. You've got to count it and then you write the number on the line. So let's count the first one and I'll show you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So on this line, I am going to write 3, that I have 3 cents. And I need to find my handy dandy pencil. So I am on this line right here. I'm going to write 3 cents. Oops, I shouldn't, sorry, oops. Make sure you write it, because that's oops on me. Write it closer to this, your cent sign. So you want to go closer to that because it's 3 cents, 3 cents. Okay, so kind of, my eraser wasn't working really well there. So 3 cents. Now you're going to keep going. Count how many, write the answer. Count how many, write the answer. Count how many, what? Write the answer. You are correct. Make sure you write your name on here because you want to keep practicing your name. Keep practicing your name. That is your last page today. That's your last page. But remember, you got 2 videos. So later on, I want you to do your next video because it's going to be an alphabet video. And it's going to have our music on there for our color words. It's going to have that on there. So you have 2 videos today. Remember how I said there's going to be times I'm going to tell you have 2 videos? Today is one of those days. You're going to have 2 videos today. Okay, so I'm just going to see you later. I'm not going to say goodbye because I'm going to see you soon, okay? For video number 2. So see you soon. See you on next video.